Hey Longhorns, welcome back. Today we're talking about the excretory or urinary system. They are basically the same system, but there are two different names for it. It just kind of depends on which textbook you're looking at. So, the function of the excretory system is to excrete metabolic wastes from the body. It includes the skin, lungs, liver, and kidneys. So the reason that it includes the skin is like when you sweat, it's excreting something, releasing something. Lungs, when we breathe out, we are exhaling carbon dioxide, which is a waste that our body produces. Liver, our liver actually cleans our blood and takes toxins out. So, which you learned in the digestive system. So it takes them out and sends them somewhere else to get disposed of. And then the kidneys, which is what we're going to focus on today, they filter blood and take urea out. Urea is a type of chemical that our body creates. It's also a waste. And so it takes the urea out, converts it to urine, and then sends it into our bladder. So we're going to start with the kidneys. The kidneys remove excess water. Urea and other metabolic wastes. From the blood. It will produce and excrete urine. The ureter transports urine so the ureter transports urine from kidneys to the bladder. The correct name for the bladder is urinary bladder, and it just stores urine until it's released. The urethra empties the urinary bladder, so that's what connects the urinary bladder to the outside of your body. And then urine is the liquid waste produced by kidneys. All right, on to the labeling. So these bean shapes are your kidneys. The, I mean, it doesn't really look like anything, maybe a balloon or a mushroom. That's your urinary bladder. All of our body systems have some type of blood vessels attached to it, especially our excretory, because the kidneys will filter urea and other wastes. Liver does toxins, kidneys do urea, water, that type of stuff. So connecting the kidneys to the urinary bladder is the ureter. And then connecting the bladder to the outside of the body is the urethra. So ureter and urethra, two entirely different words. They sound similar. They're spelled kind of similar. Just try to keep them straight. Okay, at this point, go and try this on your own. See if you can get it without any help. Okay, so I'm going to start on this side. We have our blood vessels. The ureter, the urethra, the kidneys, and the urinary bladder. The function of the excretory system is to remove waste from body. The kidneys removes excess water, urea, and waste from the blood. The ureter transports urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. And then the urethra empties the urinary bladder. So that's all we have for you today. Office hours are 10 a.m. to noon, Monday through Friday, with the exception of any holidays. That's all I got. Miss you. Can't wait to see y'all again. Bye.